How to lock any WhatsApp chat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to lock any WhatsApp chat in just few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, once you are inside the app, simply long press on any chat that you want to lock for a second. Now, once you've chosen that, simply tap on the three dots icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from the drop-down menu, simply select Lock Chats. Now, a pop-up menu will appear. From that, simply tap on Continue and use your fingerprint or passcode to enable the lock. And now, once you're done with that, you can see the Lock Chats folder on the chat section. Now, simply tap on it and use your fingerprint to unlock it. And that's it. Now your chat is securely locked and no one can access it without your fingerprint or passcode. And that's how you can lock any WhatsApp chat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.